Indeed, we expect the high-level delegation from the African Union, the panel of the wise, the APAI people in persons, the former president of Burundi, and then we have one person from Senegal. I think he's the head of this delegation, and the other person from Kenya, Egypt, and South Africa. And again, yesterday, there are regional leaders from the IGAD in person of Right Honorable Odinga, which is already in Juba. And these delegations are coming to discuss the current situations in South Sudan. And they are going to meet the parties to the peace agreement. Actually, it's about the current security situation in Upper Nile and the other parts of the country. Indeed, for our side, as the SPLM in opposition, I think it is important per now to release His Excellency, the first Vice President Dr. Machar, to engage direct with this panel of the wise and the IGAD special envoy. Because currently our representative, I think they will not attend the meeting unless these people engage direct with the first Vice President, because due to fear and intimidation and threats by the security parties in the country, our people are being detained, they are being arrested due to the no reasons. And you see what is happening in the country now. Many people are being arrested, and I think we have people from Lagos states are also arrested, and most of our people are underground. Many people are hiding because of the security threat. So this is very important. We urge the African Union panel of wise to meet direct and engage with the first Vice President Dr. Machar to present the SPLM-IO position paper, and also to bring President Salva Kiir and Riek Machar together to dialogue so that this situation is averted and the country return back to peace and political settlement. The problem now, it is in particular, is because of the first Vice President being under house arrest, and is the first signatory to the peace agreement. And I think it is difficult unless now the house arrest should be lifted and free the first Vice President to participate direct in that meeting. There will be a meeting with the principals, and there will be a meeting with the political parties representative to the agreement. That meeting with the parties to the peace agreement will only the representative of the political parties that are in the mechanisms of the implementation of the agreement. Without doubt, His Excellency Dr. Machar. Nobody will represent the party unless the chairman is released from the house arrest and discuss these issues on important regard to peace and security situation in South Sudan. How do you engage on the peace process while the chairman, who is the chairman of the SPLM-IO and the principal to the peace agreement, is under house arrest? So he is the only person that will represent the position paper of the SPLM-IO to the panel of the wise and to the regional leaders of the IGAD. He must be lifted from the house arrest to participate in the meeting with President Salva Kiir and those panel of wise, plus the special envoy from the IGAD, Right Honorable Odinga. There is a great fear of insecurity in Juba, the intimidation arrest of our people. With this said, most of our people are hiding because of the security threat in the country of being arrested. And it is not quite important for us to attend the meeting while the chairman is under house arrest. It is important for the chairman to be released, and then following the other meeting, it will be free for those members who are in mechanism and our political leaders in the Politburo will attend any meeting that will come after. Without the free of the chairman from detention, I don't think there is an IO member that will be participating in any meeting, whether with the IGAD or with the panel of the wise.